Morning guys.
Ngayon po, hintay ko yung kasama ko. Yung pa kami ng mga kanahan. Bali nagpasama. Hindi na kasi maayos yung kasama siya. So, to the rest, ang inyong ko. Ngayon, labas na ako sa building. Ito ang aming building. Labas na ako. Para hintayin siya. Ito yung aming lugar. Makikita nyo, medyo tahimik siya. Ito yung building namin. Yan. Yan parking. Pero nakapark yung sasakyan ko dito para hindi mahirap. Okay naman siya. Tapos sa harap namin merong puno ng barangay. Ayan. Medyo mapuno tong street namin. Kaya medyo maginhawa yun, no? Yan, yung kapal ng puno. Sige po, hintayin ko na lang yung kasama ko. Bali, siya yung may kailangan, siya yung magdala ng sasakyan. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Yung pumupunta ng Maka dyan, ito gamitin yung kalsada. Napakalinis. Pangilan-ngilan lang ang sasakyan. Yan po. Sarap mag-drive. Karera sa unahan.
Many hours later.
Tapos na yung trabaho ko sa Maka. Ngayon pabalik na ako sa sasakyan. Yan, tingnan nyo ang itsura, oh. Bali, yan yung harapan ng hospital. Bawal kasi mag-video ron. Pag government kasi rito, government buildings or kahit anong government department, bawal. So dito tayo sa pabalik. Yan, makikita nyo may bundok. Tapos sa gitna ng parkingan merong Albaik. Yan, yan yung sikat na roasted dito sa Saudi Arabia. Bali dito, marami siya sa Jeddah. Tapos lately lang nagkaroon sa Kubar tsaka sa Riyadh. Mangilan-ngilan lang ang branch. Pero dito kalat yan. Yan, kita nyo. Yan. Maganda ang Maka. Medyo crowded na rin. Yan. Yan po. Uso na rin yung vandalism dito. May nagbabandal na rin. Kaya layo ng mapaparkingan mo. palapit yung Albic. Kaso wala na kaming time kumain. Ito yung aming sasakyan, Toyota RAV4. Yan, hybrid. Yan. Bali, sakay na kasama ko yung ginamit na. Dito muna kami sa lilim. Lalabitin muna yung sasakyan. Hello. Now we are about to go back to Jeddah. We are finished our work here in Her Hospital in Mecca. Time check, it's 1:15 KSA time. Now I will show you the road. Look at the road. Yes, Al Buhairat district. So our destination is going back to Jeddah because we have upcoming Mapipayda meeting. So we have to, we have to rush. Okay. The weather is it's perfect. And you will see the big clock in near Haram. That is the big clock. Look. Very quiet place. But Medina is better than Mecca. Look, mountains inside the city. With my millionaire with my millionaire colleague. They own the Alamudi Exchange. All Alamudi companies here in Saudi Arabia.
This is a lie. This is a lie.
So if you need money, you can ask him. How much?
That is not true.
Just say yes, They don't know you. Ito na po, exit na po kami sa kanan. Ayan. Mga old structure here. Etc. The old structure in Mecca. They have some houses on the mountain. Look. Then look at the tunnels, You will realize how rich is Saudi Arabia. They are putting roads. They are drilling the mountains to have an access. You can roam around in Saudi Arabia without paying anything. Not unlike in the Philippines, UAE. You have to pay. There's RFID and you have wallet. If you want to go fast, go to the Bay Road. Yan po. Ganyan po kaganda ang kalsada sa Saudi Arabia. Yan po. So it's time for me to say goodbye. We have to focus on the road. So just subscribe my channel. Paalam na. Maasalama. Till the next vlog. Bye bye.